The tech world is in an all-out race to make AI that's not just smart, but super brainy. Think of it like a competition to create the ultimate robot buddy who can think, plan, and remember all the important stuff you forget. Get ready because the future of AI is about to get a whole lot more interesting. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. Today, we are diving into the latest tech wizardries from OpenAI, Meta, and Intel, which are turning sci-fi dreams into reality. Get ready for a roller coaster ride through smarter chatbots, AI-powered glasses, and a future where your toaster might just have an opinion on breakfast. OpenAI and Meta are leading the pack, each getting ready to drop some seriously cool new tech. With Meta's Llama 3 and OpenAI's GPT-5, with a little help from Microsoft, we're about to see AI take a giant leap from just chatting to actually solving problems and making plans. OpenAI and Meta are about to unleash new AI tech that's about as close to brainy robots as we've ever gotten. Imagine your toaster giving you breakfast advice or your fridge planning your grocery trips better than you ever could. The big shots at OpenAI and Meta are buzzing about their latest brain children. Meta is gearing up to roll out Llama 3, and OpenAI, with a high five from Microsoft, is teasing us with the imminent arrival of GPT-5. Joel Penno from Meta and Brad Lightcap from OpenAI have spilled the beans about their mission to go beyond chatty robots, to create AI that can think, plan, and remember stuff. Basically, they're aiming for AI with a memory better than your grandma's. So far, AI has been like a really fast but slightly clueless assistant. Great for quick tasks, but not so hot at the big picture stuff. But hold on to your hats because that's all about to change with these snazzy new updates. With each new breakthrough, it feels like super smart AI is almost here. The goal is to have AI that can reason and plan like a human, meaning soon your chatbots or digital assistants might be able to multitask like never before, thinking ahead and connecting the dots on their own. At a tech event in London, Jan LeCun from Meta revealed their plans to enhance AI's forward-thinking abilities. Meta acknowledges that today's AI can sometimes leave us scratching our heads with its responses, but they're on a mission to change that. LeCun teased AI agents capable of planning entire trips from office to airport, while also hinting at integration into popular apps like WhatsApp and Meta's stylish smart glasses developed with Ray-Ban. Meanwhile, OpenAI's Brad Lightcap dropped hints about GPT-5, signaling advancements in AI's capability to tackle longer, more intricate tasks by honing its critical thinking skills. At that same event, Chris Cox from Meta dropped a bombshell about their smart glasses. They're not just for looking cool. They can actually help you fix stuff like a broken coffee machine using some nifty AI guidance. Imagine your shades becoming your go-to handyman assistant. And according to LeCun, soon we might find ourselves chatting away with these AI helpers like they're old pals, shaping our digital lives in a big way. But wait, there's more tech drama unfolding. Over in the AI hardware arena, Intel is making bold moves, claiming their latest tech leaves NVIDIA, a heavyweight in the field, eating their silicon dust. In other news, at the Grand Intel Vision 2024 event in Phoenix, they unveiled the Gaudi 3 AI accelerator, a beast of a machine designed to turbocharge the training of AI models. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a quantum leap in power. Compared to its predecessor, the Gaudi 2, this new version packs more punch, slurps up data faster, and zips through networks at lightning speed. Translation? It's like giving AI a shot of espresso, boosting how quickly and efficiently they learn and make decisions, whether they're analyzing words, pictures, or even sounds. One standout feature of the Gaudi 3? It's a lean, mean AI processing machine. Unlike its predecessors, it doesn't require a small army of units to tackle big AI models. It's not just powerful, it's budget-friendly too, potentially slashing costs for companies running those mammoth data centers. And here's the kicker. Intel's Gaudi 3 isn't just fast, it's Formula 1 fast. It is expected to outpace NVIDIA's top-tier $40,000 chip by a whopping 50% in teaching these clever AI models and make decisions a cool 30% faster than another one of NVIDIA's chips. Cue the mic drop. Intel isn't just sitting back and watching NVIDIA's latest chips steal the spotlight. They're stepping up to the plate with a confidence that's hard to ignore. Pat Gelsinger, Intel CEO, didn't mince words about the importance of innovation and AI in today's business landscape. He painted a picture of Intel's new tech as the key to unlocking AI's potential across the board, from your humble PC to colossal data centers. And speaking of expansion, Intel's got some big plans in the pipeline. They've snagged a hefty chunk of government funding to beef up their chip operations, with dreams of erecting a mammoth AI chip facility in Ohio. Gelsinger laid out this ambitious vision at the Intel Vision event, doubling down on their commitment to conquering the AI realm. But let's talk Turkey. Intel isn't just filling a gap in the market, they're aiming to dominate it. Gelsinger couldn't help but gush about the rave reviews pouring in for the Gaudi 3 from both customers and partners. With heavy hitters like Bosch, Landing AI, and Seeker already on board, it's clear that Intel's Gaudi technology is making waves. And the best part? It's about to hit the shelves, slated for release to manufacturers in the coming months, followed by a wider rollout. But wait, there's more. Gelsinger teased another top-secret chip in the works, hinting at even greater feats of AI prowess. While he remained tight-lipped about pricing specifics, he exuded confidence in Intel's ability to outshine NVIDIA, not just in performance, but also in accessibility and affordability. Christoph Schell, Intel's chief commercial officer, echoed this sentiment, touting Intel as the frontrunner in the race for AI supremacy. With Intel's sights set firmly on the future, it's clear they're not just here to compete, they're here to win. Intel's not just watching NVIDIA from the sidelines, they're gearing up for a showdown. CEO Pat Gelsinger champions innovation and AI accessibility, with the Gaudi 3 leading the charge. It's not just a powerhouse, it's budget-friendly, needing fewer units for big AI tasks. Plus, with plans for a massive chip facility in Ohio, Intel's aiming big. Big names like Bosch and Landing AI are already singing the Gaudi 3's praises. And with wider availability looming, Intel's poised to dominate. But it's not just about power, it's about accessibility and value. According to Intel's chief commercial officer Christoph Schell, they're not just in the game, they're ahead of the pack, offering superior performance and affordability. Brace yourselves, NVIDIA! Intel's coming in hot. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI, the race is on, and the stakes have never been higher. With OpenAI and Meta pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI capabilities, and Intel stepping up its game to challenge industry titan NVIDIA, the future of artificial intelligence is looking brighter than ever. From smart glasses that double as handyman assistants to AI accelerators poised to revolutionize how we train models, the possibilities seem endless. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, one thing is clear. The future of AI isn't just about who can build the smartest machines, but who can make them accessible, affordable, and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. With each breakthrough, we edge closer to a world where AI isn't just a tool, but a trusted companion, enhancing our lives in ways we've only dreamed of. So, buckle up, because the ride is just getting started, and the possibilities are limitless. In this whirlwind tour of the AI battleground, remember, when your toaster starts giving you existential advice or your shades become your personal repair squad, you'll know we've truly entered the AI era. So, keep your eyes on the horizon, your chips in check. And don't forget to thank your friendly neighborhood AI for making life a little weirder and a lot more interesting. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos. Until next time!